with some new stationery I'm going to take product photos for. So cute. They're so cute. Look at how cute this is too. Thank you. You're doing amazing, sweetie. So adorable. And then my stationery with the cutest disco ball ice cubes. I'm loving it. Thank you, Bianca Jayde Design for note cards and stationery. Love it. So cold out, I was like crying. So pretty in here. Look at these gems. Oh, that looks so good. Ipsy since honestly maybe I was like in college, so I'm excited to try it out again. And I got this cute bag. I love it. And I kind of needed a new bag too, so let's see. Here's the glam bag. And I got it's Nanette Lepore. Ooh la la. Looks good. Then I got this What's Up Beauty mascara. And I got this Mark Anthony Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. And then Beauty Vault Gaming Lip Liner Duo. I kind of need some lip liner, so that's good. And then a Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. In my basket, my crochet basket, and I connected them. I have wanted to do like a highlight color for a while, so actually I have a couple highlight colors with like this ombre yarn that I had a little extra of too. Just finishing the last strap. Let me finish this. How cute is this, you guys? Oh my goodness, I'm in love. It's done finally. Okay, well, I'll have to try it on and show you what it looks like. I'm sick. We're having dinner together, and my neighbor just dropped this off. Chicken soup. It's so good. It has mushrooms in it. I feel like immediately better. So grateful for neighbors. I feel healed. So good. So grateful for your friends and community. Wow, I'm so grateful. I'm like, thank you God for this. I think I have the flu, so hopefully. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So good. Thank you, God. Fresh sheets, chicken soup, literally Tylenol, like 8 hour, whatever. I've been living off that Tylenol. Chicken soup for the soul. Who remembers reading those? I just love those. And you know what chicken soup for the soul is? Testimonies. It's just like books of testimonies. And I love that. So when they came over, my hands were dirty because I was like setting bacon into the oven. Because I was hungry. I'll probably still put it in since I already have it out, but this was amazing. Thank you, God. I'm gonna literally write them like a handwritten thank you card for this because it was so amazing. I'm so thoughtful for like a neighbor to give this to me knowing that I'm sick, you know?